1,000 Chinese troops are believed to enter the Indian territory. On May 5th, a dispute was broken between India and Chinese troops at the Pangong Tso Lake, located 14,000 above the sea level in the Himalayan region of Ladakh. And the video has been shared by an Indian soldier to social media about the fist fights between both the nations. As thousands of Chinese troops reportedly moved to the sensitive areas along the Himalayan frontier, the tensions between China and India over their Himalayan border have been escalated. Thousands of Chinese People's Liberation Army troops are reported to move along the eastern Ladakh border, and the troops are setting up tents and stationing the vehicles, even the heavy machinery vehicles, near the Indian border. Back to this, the Indian Army has moved several battalions based in the Ladakh city to the operational alert areas along the border. The aggressive military posturing follows the issues between the two sides on the 5th and 9th May in the border areas of Pangong Lake. And because of this, more than 100 soldiers from both the sides, that is from China and India, were injured. The thousands of troops equipped with the vehicles and tents in China are reportedly stationed in Ladakh, which is close to where China, China and Pakistan meet. And both sides appear to have so far kept to an informal agreement where the weapons are not used in the clashes which happened on May 5th and in Ladakh, and even in May 9th between India and China. But the several soldiers from both the sides have been injured, including the senior officers, and none have died. The confusions increased further on Tuesday after the satellite photos published by the Indian media showing that the Chinese building an expansion to the nearby airbase, including the fighter jets near the borders of India-China. And also on the same day, the Chinese President Xi Jinping announced that the country was stepping up for a military conflict. However, it's unclear whether the Xi Jinping, the president of China, has referred India or any other countries. However, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a high-level meeting with defense officials to discuss the situation happening in India-China border. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell button for more videos.